3D-printed eye tissue refers to the production of artificial or bioengineered tissues that mimic the structure and functionality of natural eye tissues using three-dimensional, 3D, printing techniques. This field of research and development aims to create customized solutions for individuals with eye conditions or injuries, including corneal defects, retinal degeneration, and other vision impairments. The process of 3D printing eye tissue typically involves several steps: imaging and design. High-resolution imaging techniques, such as optical coherence tomography, OCT, or magnetic resonance imaging, MRI, are used to capture detailed images of the patient's eye structure. These images serve as a basis for creating a digital design or blueprint of the desired tissue. Bioink formulation. Bioinks are biocompatible materials that can be used as inks in 3D printing. In the case of eye tissue, bioinks are formulated to mimic the specific properties and characteristics of the target tissue. They may consist of various components, such as biopolymers, growth factors, and cells, to create a scaffold or matrix for tissue growth. 3D printing process. The bioink is loaded into a specialized 3D printer that uses layer-by-layer deposition to build the tissue structure. The printer follows the digital design and deposits the bioink in a controlled manner to create the desired shape and organization of cells and structures. Tissue maturation. After the 3D printing process, the fabricated tissue construct undergoes a maturation period. This allows the cells within the construct to differentiate and organize themselves into functional eye tissue, replicating the characteristics of natural tissue. The development of 3D printed eye tissue has the potential to revolutionize the field of ophthalmology and address various eye-related conditions. For example, researchers are exploring the use of 3D printed corneas to replace damaged or diseased corneas, which could help overcome the shortage of corneal transplants. Additionally, 3D printed retinal tissue models are being used to study diseases like macular degeneration and test potential treatments. It's important to note that while significant progress has been made in 3D printed eye tissue research, the technology is still in the experimental and developmental stages.